No flash pictures or video lighting during the watch party. Our nocturnal friends, thank you. And if things get too wild, walk. Do not stampede to God on the land. Here we go. Glasses on, everyone. Let's get wild. Like the horns. I don't hear you roar. Because we're live in 3, 2.
It's Zoogether Day! Special live performances from across Zootopia and an unforgettable concert finale from superstar Gazelle! Your host, me, Heidi Howler. Happy Zoogether Day! Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! Speaker! And surprise, one of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day VIZ. Gloria, part of what we guess. No, it's not. No, whatever it is. Come on, And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. This one's totally standard. Okay.
This one.
No.
That one.
This matching one.
Really not this.
Please don't miss
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes!
Wow!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast!
Miss Howler? Are you okay?
Need you to fill in for Heidi.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Hey! Oh, Tundratown! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashmo!
Kozlov.
Kozlov.
Predator prey. Ice dancings. Balance of nature. Together strong like mother.
Oh, special thanks!
White snowflakes on fire.
Oh, wow! Judy! Nick!
Hauser, did you do this?
I have no idea! Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that bug. Partner, go on, grab a leg.
Detectives, cops, and wild investigators.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Clawhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts. Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that cause all weather to melt.
The marshes right up? Why sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Jared, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you out.
Nibbles? We need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, Bob.
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 See who did this? Seriously?
It's locked with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Clawhauser?
Oh, Little Rodentia!
How to make like a tree, eh?
Mark,
What?
let's move on.
Happy Zoogether Day! Under
Donuts do save lives.
I knew it! But why?
Oh, Judy! Next is concert!
We're in pursuit! Zootopia! This is you party animals! Happy Zoogether Day!
Hey, move it, big buffalo! Oh, gee, Bobo!
Well,
Well, you said you were going to a security conference.
I'm undercover.
Hey, Chief!
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom is going on?
Saving together, big Chief!
Hey! Want to check your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks!
Oh, you think his head has a lot of flies? You should see it.
Wait!
Whoa! Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection! And on a day all about connection! Oh, Miss Howler! Zoogether Day is ruined!
Really? Yes!
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Hey, Heidi! Hello, Bellwether.
Oh, well done, Judy. Love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together. Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale!
Did someone say finale?
Has she just been waiting for this?
Come join me, B.I.Z. Let's hear you sing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I cannot.
Trim a tree, make a wish upon a whisker.
As a team,
Here we go.
joining up as brother, sister, make your pine mine.
Here comes and toward the matter ten. Yes.
Shadows intertwine, we raise our hearts and say,
Oh, really?
Up on our train of thought.
I think they've seen a lot.
Great! We love what we got. It's a melting pot. We are united in every way.
Predator.
Voices come on and say, let's all unite for Zoogether Day. We love you, Zootopia.
Because